Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my channel The Witty Turtle, and today we are going to solve illustration number 6 from the chapter Standard Costing and Variance Analysis CMA Inter Group 2 paper number 10. The question says the standard mix of product M5 is as follows. So this is the standard mix for product M5. It is given to you. There are three raw materials A, B and C, and the ratio in which they are being mixed is already given to you. A कितना use होता है? 50% of raw material A is being used, 20% of B is used, and 30% of C is used. The standard price for these raw materials are given to you 5, 4 and 10 rupees respectively for A, B and C. Now, there is a standard loss of 10% of input. Okay. There is no scrap value. Okay. जो भी आपका whatever is your standard loss, it yields you no scrap value. अगर आप उसको sell कर रहे हो, if you are selling that standard loss, then you are not getting anything in that return. Actual production for month was 7240 pound. This is LB, this is pound of this product M5. So what is this? Actual production. That means this is your actual output. Actual output is how much? 7240 from 80 mixes. From 80 mixes. Okay. Now, purchases and consumption is as follows. Purchases and consumption are given to you. So this is your actual data, right? This is your actual data in which for material A, B and C, the quantity used for A is 4160 and the actual price is 5.5. You can multiply these two and can find the total value. Okay. So whenever you are solving this kind of questions, okay, so this question is very similar to illustration number 4. In these kinds of questions, what you need to do? First, you need to add these three numbers. These are your actual quantities to find out how much of actual input has been given to you, because there is no quantity given to you for standard data. Standard data का आपको कोई भी quantity नहीं दिया हुआ है. So you have only one way out, and that is you have to calculate the standard total कितना input दिया गया है standard में, वो आप इसी के basis पर calculate करोगे. So this sums up to 8,400 pounds. Okay. Now, I'm showing you the solution. पहले हम लोग स्टैंडर्ड डेटा को इग्नोर करते हैं एंड प्लीज टेक अ लुक एट एक्चुअल डेटा. यहाँ पर क्वांटिटी आपको तीनों ही गिवन है, ये आपको दिया हुआ है एंड योर एक्चुअल आउटपुट इज ऑल्सो गिवन टू यू. सो फ्रॉम दीज टू नंबर्स यू कैन फाइंड आउट द स्टैंडर्ड लॉस, राइट? स्टैंडर्ड लॉस. एंड ये आपके पास एक्चुअल प्राइस ऑलरेडी गिवन है, सो यू कैन कैलकुलेट दीज नंबर्स ऑल्सो. So you have the actual output and the value of the actual output, right? Okay. Actual data khatam hua. Coming to standard data. In case of standard data, what do you have? You only know the total of standard inputs. आपके पास total मिल गया. Now you know in what percentage, in what ratio they are being mixed. So you can write it as that. You can calculate it according to the ratio. This is 50%. 8,400 का 50% will be how much? 4,200. Then इसका 20%. Then इसका 30%. Right? Now the standard prices are given to you. You can easily calculate these values. Okay. So यहाँ पर हमें standard loss हमने calculate किया because we already knew the amount of actual outputs, right? But in case of standard data, it is already given to you in the question that standard loss is 10% of input. So your total input is 8,400. So you will get a loss of 10%, that is 840 pounds. So your standard output will be how much? 7,560. Standard output is more than your actual output, right? Okay. So now we have made an analysis of the given data. Now what do you need to do? You have to make a table where you will calculate the values of SQSP, RSQSP, AQSP and AQAP, right? So I have already told you that please check in this table that whether the total of inputs are same and the total of outputs are different. If the total of outputs are different, standard output and actual output are not equal, if they are different, in that case, ये जो डेटा होता है ना, this is your RSQSP. Okay? ये होता है आपका RSQ. So in that case, you have to calculate SQAO. That is your standard quantity for actual output. है ना? See, SQAO. AQSP and AQAP तो आप कैलकुलेट कर ही सकते हो. AQAP हमने पहले ही ऊपर कैलकुलेट कर लिया है. Simply you need to calculate AQSP. दोनों ही डेटा हमको गिवन है, ये हम लोग इजीली कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. ये मैं आपको नहीं बता रही हूँ. ओके, नाउ see how will you calculate SQAO? SQAO का फॉर्मूला होता है actual output multiplied with budgeted input per unit. Budgeted input per unit. How will you calculate that? यहाँ पर budgeted input, okay, budgeted input. आपका A के लिए input कितना था? That divided by your standard output. तो वो हो गया आपका budgeted input per unit. And this is what? This is your 7240. Actual output multiplied with budgeted input. So denominator में रह जाएगा आपका standard output और ये numerator में रह जाएगा आपका SQAO, जो भी है आपका ये वाला RSQ. Okay, RSQ. So you can easily calculate SQAO out of that. SQAO आपने कैलकुलेट कर लिया. ठीक है, अब क्या करना है? सिंपली आपको ये जो वैल्यू आपने कैलकुलेट किया है, क्वांटिटी आपने कैलकुलेट किया है, उसमें आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है स्टैंडर्ड प्राइस एंड यू विल गेट योर SQSP, राइट? स्टैंडर्ड प्राइस तो हमको पता ही है ऑलरेडी. सो यू विल गेट SQSP, RSQSP, AQSP and AQAP. Now simply put the formula and get the answer. You will get all the 5 material variances. है ना? See, like this. Okay. Now, let me tell you a few things. Illustration number 7 जो है ना यहाँ पर, it is the very same question that is given to you in the last book, that is your cost accounting paper number 8. It is of illustration number 9, right? Similarly, this question is also given to you in the paper 8 in page number 360. So I have already solved these questions. You can check these out. मैं उसका जो लिंक है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी. एंड illustration number 9 जो है, this is also given in the last book, that is paper number 8 in the page number 358. इन सबका जो लिंक है मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी. डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक देम आउट. एंड नेक्स्ट क्लास से हम लोग क्या करना स्टार्ट करेंगे? हम लोग ओवरहेड वेरिएंसेस पढ़ेंगे, हम लोग सेल्स वेरिएंसेस पढ़ेंगे और हम लोग यूनिफॉर्म कॉस्टिंग भी पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, आई होप आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आया, और अगर ये वीडियो आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज हिट द लाइक बटन, subscribe to my channel The Witty Turtle, share this video with your CMA Inter friends, and if you have not joined my Telegram group, then the link is given in the description box below. Please go and check that out, or you can simply search for The Witty Turtle on your Telegram and can find my group.